I haven't received so many gifts ever in my life. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Extremely excited, honored, and privileged, not just to be here at the IFFI Film Festival, but also to speak about Mr. Raj Kapoor. It's really luck that I was born in this family, and I'm extremely grateful and proud about everything that he's done for the films, for the film industry, and I'm really happy to talk anything about it. So thank you so much for being here.
Love you, Aki!
Love you too.
Ranveer, I find myself extremely lucky to be here today. I worked with Raj San. He was my guru. I worked with your father, who was more than a childhood friend. And now I'm here with you, which is like being with a son. So being with 3 generations, I think, is a great thing. We are here to talk about Raj San, Sandra here. What has his influence been on you? I know you were very young when he passed away.
Yeah, I think that's always been such a large question. I've always been asked this question wherever I've gone since the time I've been in the film industry. I think when I could remember anything in life, I remembered him as a grandfather, as Dadaji, who was this big man with blue eyes. When me and my sister, when we went to his house, he used to take us to his room and he used to hide these caramel toffees in his fridge. And he used to make us stand in a line, all of us, all the cousins, Karina, Karishma, my sister, myself. And he used to ask us to do salam and to sing Awara Hu and to give him a kiss on his cheek. And then we were bribed with a caramel toffee. So that is, so my memories of him are very personal. I got to know him more after I started understanding movies, after I started understanding who he was, what his contribution was. Of course, me being the first grandson who, with the name Kapoor in the family, so I of course got a lot of love and attention. Whenever my mom used to fire me or shout at me, I used to call him up, and he used to call up my mom and fire her, so I used that as a leverage also. So like every grandkid with a grandfather, my relationship with him was that. He passed away when I was 6 years old, and I still remember I have this vivid memory that, of course, I didn't know what death was and all of those things, but we were in Devnar Cottage, and all the children were upstairs playing, and we were looking down in the garden, and we could just see a sea of people. I've never seen so many people in my life, and I really understood that day, okay, this man has some standing, has some value, he's done something, that's why so many people have come to pay him respect. So that memory will always stay with me, especially when they took his body, and there was, the entire Chembur road was filled with people. So these are my early memories of him.
I remember the day you were born, and Saab was ecstatic. It's the first grandson, and I could see that pleasure in his eyes, which I'm sure I wish he was here today to see what you've achieved. It's really tremendous. Tell me, I just noted down a few things. As an actor, how do you interpret the themes he explored in his films?
I think Raj Kapoor, the filmmaker, always explored different themes at different times of his life. If you see his earlier films like Awara, which was based on casteism, it tells you a story about how an individual and the surroundings that he's been brought up in, what is that impact on that person and what that person becomes. If you see Sri Char Subis, he spoke about greed, about the underprivileged, and really trying to make something with their lives. And I think the latter part of the last few films that he made, he really made strong films with really strong Indian moral values. Spoke about the society in such an honest and frank way, still making it really commercial and really entertaining. He made movies, woman-centric films, where he spoke about the oppression of a woman in a patriarchal society and against a misogynistic individual. If you see Prem Rog, he spoke about widow remarriage. If you see, talk about Ram Tiri Ganga Meli, he spoke about, he actually